Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Sunday, so I'm back at Aldi. Not only am I shopping for a week of meals, I'm also getting some food to freezer prep. I have another sports season we're entering, so I need some quick, easy dinners, and that's where freezer meals come in. So let's get in, see what Aldi has, and get all the goodies for the week. First up, I'm getting some of these pistachios. We really love these. Great to snack on, $5.79. I am getting some blueberry muffins. We have friends coming over tomorrow morning for a play date. Figured these would be out with fruit. Perfect snack, $2.95. Also, I'm grabbing these Reese's cookies. I've been wanting these. They've been on my mind. I love these. I've had them many times. $3.49. Great with almond milk. I'm getting a bag of jalapeno Kettle chips. My kids are home all week for spring break. $1.57. Just something to snack on or add to lunches. Even though the price increase hurts me, it's $3.15 now. I'm gonna get Italian bread. I am getting a French baguette. They have $1 off one, so I'm gonna get this. My girls are having friends over one day. We're having a taco night, so chips and salsa. These are $1.25. White bread basically for peanut butter sandwiches, and toast, 87 cents. Easy snack for kids, especially while they're home all week, 40 cents a pound. Bananas. Cilantro for taco night, 79 cents. My kids all love mangoes, so I'm going to get 3 of them. Easy fruit to add to any meal. I love raspberry oranges. I figure this will be a good snack for my kids, even myself during the week. $2.99. I'm going to get 3 cucumbers just to chop up for meals with my kids. They all like it, basically with ranch. I got to find the 3 best. 59 cents a piece. Brussels sprouts for a side with dinner. I air fried these, so good, $2.39. Carrots at a mysterious price, I'm not sure, but I need them for chicken noodle soup for my husband, so I'm gonna get them. Probably about $1. I'm going to get romaine, another mysterious price, but we're gonna need it for tacos, tostadas, salads. I get kiwi. My kids really have been loving it, but $4.39. And then we're going to get Gala apples at $3.49 as well. $1.71 for a dozen eggs. $2.94 for a gallon of 2% milk. Let's make sure we don't get a leaky one. I'm going to get some oat milk. $2.99. I'm getting some orange juice. I just gotta find it. Okay. Tub butter, $2.25. I need more pans, $3.45. I always feel like these work really well. My husband requested I get bowls for the kids to do experiments in. These are $2.49. I'm going to get freezer gallon bags, $1.65, and these are for my freezer meals. These are the 3 freezer meals I am shopping for today. Brown sugar garlic chicken, Italian meatballs and tomato sauce, and light country lemon chicken. FreezerFit offers a free all Aldi cooking class, which is linked below. This includes the 3 meals that I'm shopping for today. All of these healthy recipes have both crock-pot and Instant Pot instructions, which will make game day much easier for my household to have dinner ready in the crock-pot. Not only does the class give you video instructions, but you are left with a 10-recipe cookbook that includes an all Aldi shopping list. If you love these free recipes and want more, FreezerFit does have a membership, has hundreds of more recipes, and you can even sort all of these recipes by a specific diet, such as keto, or my personal favorite, I like to sort it by my preferred protein, which you shouldn't be surprised is chicken. Sign up for free using my link below, found where I link all of my weekly meal plan recipes. Thank you, FreezerFit, for sponsoring this video. Okay, now let's move on. This is needed for my freezer meatballs, 92 cents for a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. I'm going to get 2 things of applesauce because my kids can down this like no other, $2.19 a piece. My husband requested the raspberry preserves, $2.79. A can of black olives, again for tacos and tostadas. I thought this was interesting. I'm actually going to mention this to my husband. He does all of our outdoor stuff, but rubber mulch. Seems like it would be really soft for like a playground type thing. $5.49. Bird seed. Potting mix. And all the workout stuff is starting to be marked down. I love this serving stuff. I use a vintage Tupperware to serve vegetables like that, but it's really nice to have. Baking stuff, more canisters. They have so many canisters lately. Utility cart. I love this bench. It's too big for my front entryway, but I did look at it. I think it seems like a really good value at $129. Sheet sets for $15, or if you're not a king size, they're a little less expensive. All the different spring versions. Garden rain, prickly pear cactus, that sounds like it smells nice. Sweet eucalyptus. Different sizes. These comforter sets. I'm considering buying one for my daughter's 11th birthday, but she doesn't turn 11 until October, so I'd have to keep it for a very long time. Pajamas, license sets. These actually seem really like a great value. $13 for fleece single color. My kids have to wear a single color to school as part of their like dress code. Really good price on those. Cart storage, shaker bottles, the rugs. We have the Bowflex version. My husband bought those about 10 years ago and he still uses them and loves them. Really nice weight set. Collagen, step stool, floor mats, a chainsaw. Can't say I've seen a chainsaw on the Aldi Finds aisle. Sofa covers. Oh my gosh. I love this sheet set. The little dinos, like how cute. We don't need more sheets, but they're adorable. I do love these. I filled them up last week. Kind of leftover stuff. I feel like this aisle hasn't changed much on this side. Cat stuff. Okay, unfortunately, I need a lot of chicken breasts this week, and they're out of the family packs. So I'm going to have to come back later this week because I'm not going to pay $3.29 a pound instead. And there's no red stickers. Dang it. I need a chicken stock for the freezer prep at $1.59. I also need a beef broth for the freezer prep, $1.25. And I need 2 chicken broths for my husband's chicken noodle soup at $1.25 a piece. My husband asked me to just buy some more noodles just to have on hand, so I'm going to get some elbow macaroni at $1.43 and probably like 6 boxes of the 82-cent in a variety, like farfalle, penne, rotini. I'm also going to get spaghetti at $1.43 and a pack of tortillas for easy quesadilla lunches for my kids, $1.55. And I'm going to get 2 packs of crunchy taco shells at 89 cents. I'm going to get a pack of the Belvie, an original, for $2.95. I've been drinking a gallon of my water at home, so I'm drinking less sparkling water. But I want a can every now and then. There's still so many of the fruit blends, the mini eclairs, the cakes, ice cream. This hasn't changed in the last week. Here they have the meatballs I was looking for. I'm going to freezer prep these in meal-sized portions for us. So I'm going to get Italian style, and they're $14. But I'm going to prep these using the freezer fit recipe. Still lots of the stir-fry veggies, different Asian meals. I've never bought these before, just because they wouldn't feed my family. And by the time I add a couple, it's quite expensive. Cauliflower rice. I'm going to get a couple bags of these. Oh my goodness. Am I crazy, or are these bags like much smaller than they were for the same price? It's kind of a bummer, but I'm going to get these. this to serve with the chicken. I'm having one of the meals not go in the freezer, and then I'm gonna get a couple bags of the broccoli florets for 95 cents. There's turkey breast, probably getting ready for Easter. California medley. Here is USA Gulf shrimp. It's $7.19. They have salmon cakes, lime cilantro tuna cakes, stuffed clams, salt and pepper calamari, Chilean sea bass, mussel meat. That sounds hilarious. Organic mussels. This actually looks delicious. Popcorn shrimp. It's $5.99 at my store. There's all the seafood for all you seafood lovers. I'm sorry I've neglected sharing that because I don't eat it. And then the ham case has ham. Hallelujah. We are running low on our block cheeses, so I'm just getting a couple of the mild cheddar, $1.75. And we are having shawarmas this week, which is one of the reasons I needed a lot of chicken, but I'm going to get hummus at $2.15. I'm going to get 2 of them. I'm going to get potato puffs for my kids at home, $1.65. And I wanted to get french fries, but they're all out of those as well. Dang it. Easter candy still hitting it hard. Lots and lots of them. I think these look delicious. I can't see the price because they're not priced, but Easter cookies with chocolate and sprinkles. They have all these licensed Hot Wheel cars, super cute, would be great in Easter baskets. They have these for real pooping pets. My kids have always loved those. And guys, look at these Easter Squishamallows. I can't even, or they're like fake Squishamallows. I can't tell. They're fake ones. Super cute. I personally like this one the best, I think. $4.99. Oh my gosh, a little chickie. They have like pre-made eggs. They got all their Easter stuff out. Adorable baskets. Reese's Puffs bunnies. Yum. My son saw this in the Aldi ad and said, "Oh, since it's at Aldi, will you get it for me?" And no, I won't. If you're a 90s kid, does that not take you back? Yes, I want that. So they have this weighted blanket. Someone unrolled it. It feels really nice. I actually really like that. I want them to go marked down though. They still have all these dinos, a heated pillow. A lot of leftovers in this aisle again. These face cloths are marked down to $3.50. I wash my face every day with microfiber. Love it. Okay, here's my cart. I'm missing like all the chicken I wanted to buy, which is disappointing, but I'll be back later in the week. You guys know I love that. Any guesses on my total? $121.59 today. So my menu for the week, I'm having brown sugar garlic chicken. That's one of the recipes that you can meal prep, stick in your freezer. I'm going to make a portion for the freezer and a portion just to cook the same week. And I'm going to have that with the cauliflower rice, regular rice, and broccoli. I'm going to make chicken shawarmas. This is my husband's request. And I'm going to have it for 2 meals. Obviously, I need to get some chicken. We're also having chicken noodle soup. Do we see a theme? Do we see why I needed a lot of chicken? If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see when I get the chicken because I'll share with you guys. Hopefully tomorrow when I go again, I can pick up a bunch of chicken. My husband's going to make the chicken noodle soup. He likes to make that. It's very simple. We'll have it with the bread. I'm going to make spaghetti and meatballs. Once again, I'm going to use the Italian meatballs with tomato sauce. I'm going to prep some for the freezer, probably a couple bags worth. And then I'm also going to have some prep to go right in the crock pot this week with spaghetti. Again, we'll have broccoli with that, or maybe the Brussels sprouts that night. We're going to have tacos when my girls' friends come over. Tacos is like my favorite meal when we have lots of people over because everyone can make it their own way. We still have tostada shells, we'll have chips and salsa, and it's just going to be an easy make-it-yourself meal. And then my kids don't know, but we are on spring break this week, and we're going to go to Dave & Buster's in Grand Rapids. It's about an hour north of us, but we're going to play video games, win the tickets, do all the fun Dave & Buster stuff. That's going to be our spring break fun, but we're going to eat at Dave & Buster's during their happy hour, so that's on the meal plan. They just don't know it yet. Do not forget to click the link below where you can get the class that teaches you 10 different recipes, all from Aldi, and then you walk away being able to have a cookbook, a digital cookbook. You can print it out. It has the shopping list for you. It's a wonderful resource. Check out Freezer Fit below. I have a personal link. It's totally free. And if you want to see how I make chicken shawarmas, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.